Welcome back to AXP Cool Crafts and Gaming. And today, can you guys guess what we're doing? We have Orbeez. We have Cornstarch. And we have balloons. And we have shampoo too. Could you guess what we're doing? We're making stress balls.
Yeah.
And for the making of the stress balls, we have a blue balloon, a purple balloon, and a red balloon.
Orbeez.
Oh, and we have funnels. We have funnels too.
You cannot forget
the spoon.
Okay, so basically,
The cornstarch.
we have cornstarch already in the bowl. We had used flour before and put water in it, and then as it started to set for a few days, it started to stink really bad. So we said, let's give cornstarch a try because we saw it on other YouTube videos.
Shout out to other YouTube people who made stretch balls out of cornstarch, whatever it's called.
Cornstarch.
Yeah.
Okay.
And toothpaste.
So what they used, if you can see, we already have some in here. They just used toothpaste. Okay. Any type of toothpaste will work. No particular kind. And they also use shampoo. So I'm just gonna put that inside.
I'm not sure if you already know this or not, but do not eat these.
Yes, please don't eat the water beads.
Oh, look. Toxic.
Okay. So
Do you guys see
I also had said, let me try to use some essential oils. So I have some orange ones. I did not see that, but that's something that I'm going to try.
So,
Okay.
guys, you see it smells this spoon? I'm trying to get out the camera angle, but I'm not sure if you guys could see or not. I'm trying not to.
You can see the back of the spoon, actually.
Yeah. It smells heavenly already.
So now I'm just going to stir it up. Okay. And
make sure you really get that toothpaste. Kind of stays in for a little.
yeah, it does. But also, we are going to see which one is better for the stress ball. Is it going to be cornstarch or is it going to be the Orbeez, aka also known as water beads?
Should I put this in there or not?
Yes, you can.
And just because if you're wondering, why are their Orbeez bigger than mine? That's because we put water in it so it can grow before we made the video.
Yes. Okay. So let's get started. Yeah.
So what's our first step?
Our first step is to stretch the balloons.
Okay. So what balloon do you choose, Christian? Blue, red, or purple?
I'll choose.
Christian chooses blue.
Okay.
I will choose red. So first we stretch our balloon. And by the way, Mom has purple. And she's going to be our example of an empty water bottle to make a great funnel. It works. We promise. We already tried it. So what's our next step?
Okay. So since you have, all right. So Christian, once you put your balloon on the funnel, okay, the spout of the funnel first after you stretch your balloon.
Make sure you don't stretch it too far down.
You want to roll it, yeah. You want to roll it down some, but not like that. Yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah.
Okay. So now you're gonna flip it upside down and use your spoon.
Spoon.
Use your spoon, and then you're gonna put it inside, and it's gonna drop inside of the balloon using the funnel.
Step 3. Put the Orbeez inside of the balloon.
So the kids are doing the water beads right now. I'm gonna do the cornstarch.
Make sure you don't put too many or too little Orbeez or cornstarch. Oh, and by the way, to actually make the Orbeez go in, you could either use the end of your spoon or a straw.
And that's what I'm using right now.
Yeah, Mom's gonna use the straw, and I'm gonna use the end of my spoon.
Okay. And by the way, I noticed that a lot of my YouTubers that I do like to watch had used the cornstarch, but when we first tried it ourselves, we made a terrible mess. Okay, so this can get really messy. The cornstarch can like get all on your clothes or on your furniture. So make sure you put something on your table so you know you won't have a good mess, or wear something on that you don't mind getting messy. Okay, that's just a tip. Because if you can see how that's flowing out, yes, that can get all on your clothes.
And they use that for movie props. Some people do.
To make it look like a fall.
Yeah, like if you're in a spooky forest.
Okay. Now this solution that I did, adding the essential oil. You can use any essential oil that has a sweet smell. This is really doing the job. My essential oil is orange flavored, and it really smells really good. Yeah. Now, when you're filling up your stress ball, you want to make sure that you do it like right about here, like 3 inches. You don't want to fill it up too much because it's going to be stuck right here at the mouthpiece, and then you're going to have to dump it back out. Okay?
Is this good?
That's perfect. Okay, let's see. You need some more. Okay. All right, so now you can like start to twist it off, Nicholas.
So you just pull it off.
Twist it off.
Twist it.
Yeah, because it may make a hole in it if you just pull it off. It might spill out. So just twist it off a little bit so you can get it. There you go. Good job.
There.
Okay.
So when you finish putting the Orbeez, aka
Water beads,
in the balloon, you have to carefully twist it off. Oh, and guys, if the Orbeez gets stuck in the straw like this, you can simply just squeeze and then they'll come out. You have to you'll probably have to get near the Orbeez.
Good job. Thank you for the tip. Okay. So I'm going to knot this up for you. And you see, I have flour and cornstarch all over my hands. This is what I'm talking about, the residue from the cornstarch. So
Gets everywhere.
if you want to wear gloves on, you can.
We didn't use the obvious choice because we don't have it.
Now I'm just going to tie it in a knot.
Yeah, step 5 is to tie a knot in the balloon. If you don't know how, ask a parent to.
And then I'm just going to snip this off with some scissors.
Step 6 is to cut the top off of the balloon.
Alright. And now for security, you want to make sure that your beads are secure. So I'm going to just cut this down to the width. See how it starts to get wider at the end right there? So I'm going to just snip this off. And then I'm going to put this balloon inside of here. Or you can do it for me. Can you do that for me?
And if you don't do this, the balloon may shrink within days.
Or it can bust.
Yeah.
Right?
If you put stuff in it, it might bust. If you put no stuff in it, it'll just get smaller until it's too small that there's no feeling.
Have the top layer onto your stress ball. So you want to show them what you can do with it? Yeah. Okay. And then this is the bowl with the flour. So you see the comparison once you hold it. Andrew is here. Hi, Andrew.
Andrew's finally back.
Okay. So Andrew, you want to squeeze the stress ball?
Shoot.
Yay.
Uh-oh. It got covered in
There's
flour.
Andrew. Say hi, Andrew.
Andrew, it got covered in flour.
And if they get covered in flour, what do?
He used the white.
Yeah.
This might take a long
Andrew, say
time.
hi.
Maybe you should.
So hold your stress ball out, Andrew.
More wet white.
So Andrew, did you want this green balloon over top of it?
Yay.
Okay. So Christian, can you please pass me the scissors?
Yeah.
All right. And Christian, did you finish your stress ball?
Yeah.
Where is it?
Oh, it's right here.
It's right here.
And another balloon got covered.
And this is, and you have to be careful because some kids like to play in the cornstarch. So make sure they don't have any clothes on that's valuable. Or you will be doing a lot of washing. So Andrew wants me to put the green balloon over top of this. So here's the green balloon. I already cut it.
Ooh, I got some toothpaste. Mom, I got some toothpaste.
That's fine, sweetheart. And so now, you see I have the balloon inside. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, can you get that for me, please? And you hear that it makes a little funny noise.
But that one doesn't do like mine does.
So you see the comparison, squeeze yours at the same time I squeeze mine. See, it doesn't puff up like that. So we need you to vote which one you think is better.
Okay.
The Orbeez or the Cornstarch?
Okay, it's foggy here. Foggy here.
Oh yeah, babe. I'm in the state.
And Christian, what do you think?
Orbeez or Cornstarch?
And you know what, Christian? You had made some with flour. Why don't you bring yours out that you have with flour?
Okay, this is what I made.
That's with the water beads. You can squeeze his. Can you bring it up closer so they can
Look
see?
at mine and look at Kristen's. Shoot.
That's okay. You can always put. Thank you all for tuning in to AXB Cool Crafts and Gaming. We will be posting videos weekly. If you have any suggestions what you would like for us to review, please make sure you leave the comments in the box below. Okay?